Today we're going to take a spatchcock chicken. I'll put it on the griddle at 300 degrees. I'll put its skin side up first, and I'm going to put the large cast iron to act like a heavy weight on it. Hello everybody, Big Papa here. I love creating new things and playing with new techniques. Today we're going to take a spatchcock chicken. We're going to cut it in half. So we have 2 chicken halves. Now if you want to know how to do spatchcock, go ahead and look at some of my other videos, or they're all over. But basically you want to remove the backbone. So how we're going to cook this today is really fun. We're going to season it up with a base of BPS stash, which is sweet, savory, and a tad spicy. So I kind of want that there. So I'm going to put a light coat on the bottom. And this is for my wife, Little Louise Ball. We're going to use Little Louise seasoned garlic pepper. This is really a seasoned garlic salt with black pepper and garlic. It's a great all-purpose rub. It's Little Louise garlic pepper. It's really a seasoned salt with garlic and black pepper. So we're going to put this on top, just very lightly, on top of the stash. Just to get a little more savory, a little more salt, sodium. It'll help. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to spray this side, the skin side, with just a little bit of avocado oil. So now we come back with the stash again and get that nice coated beautifully. Can't wait to tell you how we're going to cook it, because it's really going to surprise you. As you notice, I've been doing a lot with the griddle, and I've also been doing a lot with parchment. And I'm not going to stop today. A little more Little Louise. Okay, these are parchment bags. Now I've lined the inside with garlic, infused olive oil. I'm going to come in here and put them in the bag. There's a 1-bagger and a 2-bagger. We're going to go outside and we're going to put them on the griddle. But what makes it really fun and tricky is this is sort of like a brick oven, Italian brick oven chicken, but instead of brick oven, I'm using the Pride of Tennessee Lodge. So I'll put it on the griddle at 300 degrees. I'll put its skin side up first, and I'm going to put the Lodge cast iron to act like a heavy weight on it. And we'll have probes in it this time. And when it gets to be about 120, I'm going to flip the bags over to get the skin side nice and golden. So I'll see you outside. I think this is going to be a wonderful chicken. So fun parchment bagged chicken. A little safflower oil. Spread it good. Always check your temp. I'm rocking around 300. For this one. Got a probe in each one of them. Avocado oil. How much fun is that, everybody? We'll be back in about a half hour. Okay, that was going pretty quick. That was about exactly 20 minutes. Peek in there, it's beautiful. I think this is about 10 minutes, and then I'll check it with the thermometer. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Got it good. Here we go.